Just had an exciting parcel arrive through the post. We've got a single and another single. Woohoo! Let's go down to the van and fit them. Now we are down at the van. Let's see if these fit. That they feel really good quality, just the same as the dry robe coat that I've already bought. So I hope that these car seat covers will live up to the same as that coat. Take the label off, undo the Velcro, like so. I'm going to pop the top on first, I think. Probably be the best thing. They've got plastic back and then the fleece front. Oh, look at that. I'll tell you what, it'd be super cool if you could choose to have your name typed on there, wouldn't it? Yeah. I bet sport companies and things like that have that. Is that another piece of Velcro?
For the armrest.
Okay. So pop it down.
Armrest, love.
Oh, I've got to put it over?
Yeah.
Oh, I see, there's a Velcro hole. Okay, how's that going to work? Oh, that's tight, isn't it? Right. See, it's idiot proof too. You like that? Round? I'm kind of guessing. Dry robe, if I'm doing it wrong, just let me know. Oh, they're nice and snug. Really nice and snug. Okay. That's cool. They've also got a cutout on the side here so that you can still get to your adjustment knobs. I'm going to tuck that under there like so. What do you think? And they've also got the Velcro tabs on both sides. So if you've got an armrest on this side, you can also do it round. So that's cool. Let's get round and do that seat by you. Okay, here's seat number 2. Let's hope that I look like more of a pro doing this second one. Haha. They also slightly matted on the inside, like textured, so you can tell that they're not going to slide around when you put them on. You know, like you get some cheap car seat covers and they just feel paper thin, and then you know that after a few times of sitting on them, they're just going to move. These don't feel like that, so hopefully it won't be the same. Oh, and I still managed to mess that up by doing that wrong. There we go. Takes a bit of tweaking. Cue fast rolling camera. If I can do it, you can do it. They're also Velcroed, so that if you had bigger knobs, they will fit there too. So there we go. That's the new car seat covers. That's awesome. They look so nice and comfy. Gonna keep you nice and warm. When I've got the heated seats on as well, we are going to be super toasty in here. So thank you to Beth at Dry Robe for supplying me with these new car seats. Let's go and surprise Mel with his, because he has no idea that I managed to get some for him too. Let's go.
Hello and welcome back to another video. Today is, hello.
Hello.
It's Becky. She's interrupted me. What you got there hiding behind your back?
I've got a surprise.
Oh wow, what's that?
Open it up.
Fleece? Oh, what is that? What is it?
Have a look, see if you can guess.
Dry robe. Oh, it's like your dry robey thing you've got.
Yeah?
Is it a seat cover?
Yeah.
Cool, thanks.
I've got you single and...
A double.
Yeah.
Well, that'd be fun putting on because my double seat's been cut in half. Goes around the seat belt to the back, like that, and then that goes. That's a really neat idea. Seat covers that I've put on in the past have had these little hooky, like little hooks that you have to hook underneath the seat. Using that Velcro is so much better.
Yeah.
That is absolutely fantastic. Yeah, look, I can still use that. I can still get to my seatbelt all right. Still get to my height adjustment. Brilliant.
Yeah, you glad? You happy?
I'm driving now. Feels nice as well. That does feel nice. Yeah.
And even in the summertime, hopefully you won't get stuck to your seat so much, or the plastic bits. So be good.
Like it.
Let's get the double fitted.
I like that. Yeah, that's nice. Well done.
Well, we've had to do a little bit of jiggery pokery because of the back seat of Mel's van being taken out. I forgot about that. So we've had to do this instead.
It's alright, isn't it?
So we've
Still
just done
nice.
the bottom.
You got the bottom's going to be kept nice and dry.
Yeah. So we've just folded it in on itself.
Which is the main thing, I guess, because that's if you've got a wet
Bottom.
wet cosy on, then it's going to stop the bottom of the seat getting wet.
Yeah.
And it looks so much better as well. It does. And I'm sure a Monster are like that as well.
So yeah, we're going to enjoy having luxurious seating for our bottoms now. So Mel's going to drive in luxury. I can sit here with Monty and we can keep the seats underneath protected as long as possible.
Yeah, it looks so much nicer as well. Because
Yeah.
my seats were looking a bit
They're
manky.
looking a bit naff.
For me, for this, I would need another single one to go on this. So the single one would go on the single back here and then tuck underneath. Then the double, because I've got the double bed. So that would be ideal. If Dry Robe sent me another single, then that'd be perfect.
Yeah.
Hint, hint.
So there you have it. We've quickly fitted those in about, what, 10 minutes? Not even that.
Not even that.
Not even that.
So quick.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dry Robe. Really appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys. And yeah, if you want to get your hands on any seat covers, they also do pillowcases and of course the big coats. So I'll leave the website down below because I absolutely love my Dry Robe.
You do, don't you?
I use it
It's
so
massive.
often. It's massive. Yeah.
Lives in it.
Yeah, and I use it as
sleep in it the other night.
yeah, and I use it as a blanket as well when I'm cold. So
Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
thumbs up, guys.
That's all we got time for. Bye.
Bye.